In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable custom Robots.Txt in Blogger. This is an important feature if you want more control over how search engines crawl and index your website. By customizing your Robots.Txt file, you can guide search engine bots on which parts of your blog should be accessed and which parts should be ignored. To get started, open your Blogger dashboard and make sure you are logged in to your account. Once you are inside, navigate to the Settings section from the menu on the left-hand side. This is where you can manage different configurations for your blog, including search engine preferences. Scroll down through the settings page until you find the section labeled Crawlers and Indexing. This area contains options that control how your site interacts with search engines. Within this section, you will see an option to enable a custom Robots.Txt file. To activate this feature, simply toggle the option to turn it on. Once enabled, additional settings will become available, allowing you to add your own custom Robots.Txt content. This is where you can define specific rules for search engine crawlers based on your needs. Next, click on the option that allows you to edit or add your custom Robots.Txt file. A text box will appear where you can enter your code. Carefully paste or type your custom Robots.Txt content into this field. Make sure your entries are accurate, as even small errors can affect how search engines read your website. After entering your custom code, take a moment to review everything to ensure it is correct. Once you are satisfied, click the Save button to apply your changes. Your custom Robots.Txt file is now active and will be used by search engines when crawling your blog. In the same section, you may also notice an option to enable custom robots header tags. This feature provides additional control over how individual pages are indexed. If needed, you can turn this option on as well to further refine your search engine settings. With these steps completed, you have successfully enabled and configured a custom Robots.Txt file in your Blogger site. This allows you to manage how your content is discovered and indexed more effectively, giving you better control over your blog's visibility. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.